When visiting Nalanda in Bihar, India, there are several significant attractions that you should explore. Nalanda University ruins. Explore the ancient ruins of Nalanda University, one of the oldest and most renowned centers of learning in the world. Marvel at the remains of monasteries, temples, and lecture halls that date back to the 5th century CE. Nalanda Archaeological Museum. Visit the Nalanda Archaeological Museum to view a fascinating collection of artifacts excavated from the site of the ancient university. Admire sculptures, pottery, coins, and other relics that provide insights into the rich cultural and academic heritage of Nalanda. Hiuen Tsang Memorial Hall. Pay homage at the Hiuen Tsang Memorial Hall, dedicated to the renowned Chinese traveler and scholar who visited Nalanda in the 7th century CE. Learn about Hiuen Tsang's accounts of Nalanda University and his contributions to the study of Buddhism. Nava Nalanda Mahavihara. Visit the Nava Nalanda Mahavihara, a modern center for Buddhist studies and research located near the ancient ruins of Nalanda University. Explore the library, research facilities, and academic programs focused on Buddhist philosophy and literature. Surya Mandir, Sun Temple. Explore the Surya Mandir, also known as the Sun Temple, located near the Nalanda University ruins. Admire the architectural grandeur of this ancient temple dedicated to the sun god, constructed during the Gupta period. Hiuen Tsang Memorial Statue. Marvel at the Hiuen Tsang Memorial Statue, a towering tribute to the renowned Chinese traveler located near the ruins of Nalanda University. The statue commemorates Hiuen Tsang's contributions to the study of Buddhism and his historic visit to Nalanda. Silao. Explore the nearby town of Silao, known for its ancient Buddhist ruins and historical significance. Visit the ancient stupa and monasteries dating back to the Maurya and Gupta periods, offering insights into the region's rich Buddhist heritage. Seshadri Temple. Pay a visit to the Seshadri Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu and located in the vicinity of Nalanda. Admire the temple's architecture and serene surroundings, and participate in religious rituals and prayers. Surajpur Baragaon. Explore the village of Surajpur Baragaon, known for its ancient Buddhist sites and monastic remains. Discover the ruins of monasteries, stupas, and other archaeological remnants that reflect the region's Buddhist past. Pawapuri. Take a day trip to Pawapuri, a sacred Jain pilgrimage site located near Nalanda. Visit the Jal Mandir, a temple built in the middle of a lake, and pay homage to Lord Mahavihara, the 24th Jain Tirthankara, at the Pawapuri temple. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural and historical heritage of Nalanda by exploring these significant attractions and experiencing the timeless allure of this ancient seat of learning and spirituality.